For few days there is something going on the website that I work on. It is named as fiverr.com, and most of the people may know that website. I make funny videos on that website. Like after reading the message, I just dance with happiness for reading the message. It's kind of funny message, funny video. So since I work for the website, I never violated any of the rules. Even there was something like I was asked to do some sort of sexual act, or some sort of spam, or any kind of hacking stuff. Whenever there was a hint I found, I just forwarded those to the customer service. And even there were some messages that could have disreputed me and the website, the fiverr.com. So I denied those orders by saying that I cannot do those kind of work. It will ruin the reputation of me and the website and the fiverr.com. So I always work for the website, never went against for the website. Even if the customer service go through my messages, or go through my inbox chats or everything, they will see that I always supported the website. I always said that I cannot do against any kind of thing against the website. So yesterday night, it was my disaster night. At around 11 a.m, all of my gigs except 2 got deleted. The Fiverr deleted all of my gigs. It means it got denied. It means that those gigs will not be active on my account. I don't know why. They are not answering properly. It just says it is inappropriate. Those gigs have been present for about 1 year, and suddenly on yesterday, it got all of the gigs got denied. The 5 of the gigs out of 7 got denied. I don't know why. On one gig, I can figure out that it may be some sort of copyright issue. That gig was Moonwalk, and I used to use the Michael Jackson music. So for that gig, I can understand it can be a copyright issue. But for the rest of the 4 gigs, I don't know why they just denied those gigs. One of my gig was search for a message, read the message, and just dance. And this is just a simple thing, and they denied that gig. I don't know why they did that. I emailed the customer service. They said that something just went on, and those gigs are not inappropriate. I asked them what is inappropriate about those gigs. I need to know so that I do not do those kind of mistake in my future gigs. I asked for that information, but still they are not replying. See, if those gigs are inappropriate, if there are some inappropriate thing, it should be written on the terms and policy. And I have read all the terms and policy, and I cannot find any violation of that terms and policy which is inappropriate on my gig. So Fiverr, please just reply what is inappropriate on that gig, or what should be done and what should not be done, so that I can progress. And you cannot understand what I'm going through. My income is based on the Fiverr website. So after graduating from college, I was jobless, unemployed for more than 3 years. So it was really a hard thing. I was even kind of a homeless. So there was a pinch of money in my pocket. So somehow I got to know about the fiverr.com, and I just gave it a try, and I slowly earned by making some funny videos, by making people smile without going against the rules and policy. So those gigs were so important for me, and all of the gigs got denied. So it is you don't know what is going on. my sleep, my eating habit, appetite, everything stopped after that night. I don't know what to do and what shall I do. I don't have the proper answer, like what is inappropriate about that gig, so that if I make another gig, I should not do that kind of inappropriate thing. I don't know what is inappropriate. Nothing is written about on the terms and policy also. So Fiverr, please do something to help the buyers, to help the sellers. At least write the things that what is inappropriate, so that we can understand what is inappropriate, and we should not do those kind of thing. And we haven't violated any of those kind of thing what were written on the terms and policy. That's the reason we are just lost in everywhere. So Fire, please just help us, because if I don't earn the money, and you don't know how hard it is to get a job in a third world country, and I live in a third world country, and how it is to find a real job. This is not a real job that I can understand. Making videos and earning money, I can understand every fact of this kind of thing. But if you just come over here and try to get a job over here and earn an income, you will understand how hard it is for us to earn some money over here. And that's why I was jobless over here, and I make my living, kind of a living, from the fiverr.com. And for the Fiverr, I just went from homeless to some, at least I can support myself. So if this goes on, it will hamper my life. Even when I got the news that all of my gigs out of all of my 5 gigs out of 7 got denied, in my first thought, I couldn't think of anything other than, that it is a bad thing other than suicide. I just can't take the pressure, that no, I cannot handle this kind of pressure, because I just want to die. That's the thing I had in my mind. If I would just do something that at least say what is inappropriate, so that we the sailors can understand what is inappropriate, and we should not do those kind of thing. And we haven't I don't know the other sailors, but I haven't violated any of the rules that you have posted in the terms and conditions. That's the main reason that I'm just lost over here. And when I got that, got asked to do some sort of bad things, and against, if you do those kind of thing, I will pay this much of money, other than Fiverr, or some discriminating things against YouTubers, or against another race. I always rejected those kind of things. I always followed your rule. That's why I'm just literally don't know what to do. Even when I followed your rules, all the rules, then I got all of my gigs got denied. Please Fiverr, do something.